Welcome everyone. Myself Professor KV Kushare, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Maratha Vidyaprasad Samaj Rasi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic Nasik. Last lecture or before lecture we discussed the management concept is planning, what is the organization, how to organization work, then the its procedure, process, then here there's responsibility and authority. Okay, today we discuss this is responsibility. Last time we taken a delegation, what is the span of control, unity of command, and the next point is related to your management concept like your responsibility. It is the very important for responsibility. A supervisor should be held responsible for the act of his subordinate. Means supervisor is the head of the department. Like you are any department, like for example finance, purchasing, maintenance, manufacturing. He is responsible for all the activity during the line. Okay, our subordinate, who is subordinate? Like your assistant manager, like your maintenance engineer, like your worker, like your employee. That is a subordinate. We handle the supervisor. The no supervisor should be allowed to avoid responsibility by delegating authority to his subordinate. Okay, the in figure responsive accounting system, they given two things. An accounting system what provide information. Suppose first chart is relating to the responsibility of the individual manager and to evaluate the manager on controlling items. Okay, they are depend on how that time situation we handle them. Okay, that is the responsibility of the any head like your supervisor. That is your responsibility. Then another one is authority. Authority is the tools by which a manager is able to accomplish the desired objective. Hence, the authority of each manager must be clearly defined. Authority and responsibility must be coincident in the organization. Means responsibility is the also important than authority also important. Means authority have suppose any problem in a production line or in an organization in industry, to how to tackle them and how to find the solution of any problem or any causes. That time authority have given, they have authority yes or no. Suppose any production line manager, they have some authority from director body or management, but some department manager have do not have any authority to take an action on employee or any other. Okay, that the figure shows the suppose first point given in a bracket or management, then our left side is organization and right side is solution. Okay, they are a cycle being, means organization goes assess and control, then how to planning, then squeeze, then solution and identify. Suppose that is a cycle in authority. Suppose any problem are occurs in production line, there are some causes for any employee. Though suppose your management goes from, so organization is access and control how to work and how to cause are there occurs, they are find out, then they have planning, then taken a solution of them how to tackle for this problem. But many time do not solve this problem, they have identified some points and solve the problem for your authority. That is authority. Okay, then next one is efficiency. The organization should be able to attain the mission and objective at a minimum cost. Suppose diagram shows the organization effective means its efficiency. First, we take a succession planning and talent development. Then culture alignment, organization design, performance management, and change management. That is the object efficiency. Means suppose company growth is new company installation of new company in any industry area. They have some problem for marketing and some product. Okay, that what that time what we do, that time how to growth our company and how to establish our market in a how to increase our market. Okay, that time we use the some points like your performance, how to our company performance, what is our product quality, then how to improve our quality and how to change the cycle and change the management. The organization will be design, change is design, then culture and success following, that is your efficiency. Okay, then simplicity, the organization structure should be as simple as possible with minimum number of level. A large number of level of organization means difficulty of effective communication and coordination. Simplicity means suppose your employee and manager, it's a very two things is the very important, and they effective communication from employee to manager or manager to employee, and also coordination being two person for your supervisor or employees. That is graph shows one one side is a focus and again side is simplicity. Okay, that is your effectiveness. Okay, they are approximately focus is equal to simplicity. Okay, then next is a flexibility. Suppose flexibility organization should be flexible, should be adaptable for by to changing a circumstance. It should be permit expansion and replacement without dislocation and description of the basic design. Suppose flexibility means suppose in a industry, in a production line, suppose employee some problem occurs, that time the manager will be have a manager also have authority for taken action of the employee, but sometime the problem goes for a director body, they also solved them. That time manager fire the employee, but director body change the decision and also rejoining the this person. Means the flexibility that time should be permit expansion or replacement. And another take example, that time also director body fire the person, manager also fire the person and taken a new employee in the company. Okay, that is the flexibility depend on a person or depend on a organization. The workplace flexibility are strategic, imperative, virtual work training, ongoing research, and major result or robust communication. It depend on some factor of flexibility. Then next, the sound organization must be avoid complicated procedure, red tape, and excessive complication of control. So that is the may adapt itself easily and economically to business and technical changes. Flexibility depend on some factors like your dynamic management capability, accountability, or responsiveness of the organization, or metaplex ability also. Operational structure or static, that is the different factor are depending on the flexibility. Okay, thank you so much for listening my lecture.